Fergie time. Today I'm going to demo a new product that's from Salty Captain. It's the Offroad Essentials pack. I just went wheeling a couple weeks ago and I haven't been able to wash the Jeep. But today's a nice day, so why not give it a shot? So let's see what's in this pack. We've got a Salty Captain microfiber hand towel and a wash mitt rag. So this is like a chamois. Oh, it's a cool mitten and then a chamois. Never actually used one of these, so it should be fun. See what's in the bucket. So this goes on the bottom of the bucket. It lets the dirt go down so the water stays clean. This is the Captain's Musket. You can also get one for a pressure washer. I don't have a pressure washer, so if someone wants to give me one to demo, let me know. But this will hook onto my garden hose, and it's a way to get the foam going. But it's a multi-purpose wash gun. 2 brushes. One is soft for more delicate areas, so like engine bay, and then the other one's hard to really scrape stuff off. 4 bottles. The grease attack. This is what you can spray in the engine bay. An interior cleaner, that's all inside plastic areas. Glass cleaner, that's for your windows obviously. And then the 4-wheel drive RV wash. So this is what you would actually wash the Jeep with. And then you get 3 of these, and obviously these 3 are for the grease attack, the glass cleaner, and the interior cleaner. Alright guys, so I just misted the engine because I don't want to do a hard like jet on the engine because I don't want it to ruin anything, any wires or anything like that. And then now, grease attack. So I'm just going to put this on, and they say you can put it on neat. So I'll just spray it. Now I'll pick the soft brush to lightly agitate. Now I'm going to fill up my bucket, and I'm going to get out the 4-wheel drive RV wash. Not a lot, just enough. Alright, so I got my canister, pour it in, nice and tight. So this is the foam nozzle, the other one's the rinse nozzle. Back is off, middle is sud, forward is just rinse. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm just going to lightly do this. Do the other side. I'm going to get my hard brush, my bucket, and then I'm just going to hit all the dirt areas. Alright, now I'm going to use the mitten. Isn't that cool? Now it's chamois time. Alright guys, now I'm going to do the interior cleaner. I like to do the interior, and then I like to do the glass the last. It's pretty dirty in here. Alright, last thing, glass cleaner. Boom! There you go guys, Salty Captain. I think the Jeep looks great. Oh, I gotta do the front windshield, but you get the idea. Yeah, I'll throw a link in the description. Use my code, save some money. Be a captain, be a Salty Captain. Thanks guys.